Hello, I'm Nosy the bear. What's up with all this snow? All this bad snow. It causes car accidents and stuff like that. And you know what? They should delay the root farm and everything else tomorrow too. But they probably won't. That evil UCP. All they want is their money, 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 money. Banked, banked, banked. Cash. Ching, ching, ching. Yeah. Ow! Not the drum. Sit out. Ouch. Out. That hurts. That really hurts. Stop hitting me with a drumstick. I get it. Probably you'll have a stool day of stools. But we won't get a snow day from work. But you know what? That doesn't mean that Mr. Drumstick doesn't have to keep hitting me. I hate pain. I really hate pain. What the crap? What the crap? What the crap? What the shit? What the shit? Stop hitting me, Mr. Drumstick. You know, I've been on leaving because Mr. Drumstick wants to keep hitting me. See? I've been on leaving.